to Cooking with Landon. Welcome to Cooking with Landon. Today we are making lemon pepper chicken with broccoli and baked potatoes.
And what else about this meal?
It's a fun, easy meal to make during weeknights.
Perfect. Gus says it's time to go. All right. What are we going to do first, Mr. Landon? Chef, we're going to put the chicken in our super special marinating bag. Don't tell me, tell them.
Bag.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Oh.
That came out quicker than I thought it would. Dun.
And what are we going to do now? We have to put, what are we going to put in here? We're putting lemon,
Then what?
pepper,
What did you spice this then if we just added lemon?
some onion powder. Hey, come on, tell everybody.
Onion powder, red pepper, salt, olive oil, and garlic.
There we go. And all of this, we don't have actual amounts for. You just put in whatever you'd like.
You could put in a whole thing of this, and this.
Good. I wouldn't want to do that.
And this.
So here, let me get on this side. You can move over a little bit more. I'll start smashing these garlic pieces up so you can put them in here. But in the meantime, what do I want you to do? Why don't you tell everyone what we have to do about the importance about knives and being what?
Careful.
So you tell them while I do this.
Be careful with knives because they can be super sharp, like this one.
Yeah. What happens?
I don't want to explain because I don't want to cut my own self for this video.
All right. We are using how many cloves of garlic?
1,
How many?
2, 1, 2, 2,
3, 4,
5.
5. No, you gotta get down. I think you're too high. There we go. Use those muscles. That's all right. That's good. Put another one in. Leave it. Yep. We're just keep adding them in. Oh yeah. There we go. Here, put another one. Hold it. Can you hold it?
Time to scrape it.
Nope, not time to scrape it yet. You gotta get the garlic in first. Hey, keep it over this so that it falls in. Squeeze. Squeeze together. Yep. Hold it again. Come on, dude. I think this will be enough. We're gonna stick with 4. The 5th one we'll just we'll save. All right, get that knife out. Get that super sharp knife out. Scrape that off. There we go. All right, hold on. Whoa. Don't want to cut the bag. We're just gonna scrape that stuff out the inside. We're gonna use all of it. Yep.
Oh yeah, you don't have to use the inside if you don't
There you
want
go. That's
to.
good. Yeah, we will though. We want to keep all that flavor in there. So that's all we're gonna need from the knife right now, because we're gonna have to cut the video. We're gonna let this marinate for how long? Whoop, we're not done yet.
1 hour.
No, a couple hours. We'll let it
45.
marinate. So we'll come back. How much oil do we think we should add?
20 gallons.
20 gallons of oil. That's what Landon says. We'll do about a quarter cup of oil. Here, you do the onion. Onion powder. Go. Shake it in there. Go. That's about good.
Dad goes crazy with onion.
We do go crazy. I'm going to do the salt because we don't want to over salt it.
That's too much.
Just a little bit of red pepper. And that's good. And then lemon juice. The lemon we're going to use for a garnish, and when we bake it, we're going to put the lemon in it. This lemon juice is just easier than, you can use fresh lemon, right? If you want to, and cut it up and smash it in there, but
This whole thing?
no, not the whole thing.
Yeah, because I'm almost done with the whole thing.
Oh. We just want to make sure there's enough liquid in here to fully coat and marinate everything.
Dethaw.
Dethaw, well, we had to dethaw the chicken. And then we're just, after this, what are we going to do? Here, mix it up.
Yay, my favorite part.
This stuff we'll use later for seasoning the potatoes and the broccoli.
Evil!
Yes, evil. And you want to make sure you coat everything all over the...
1, 2, 1, 2.
Everything all over the chicken. All right, tell everyone, come up here. Say bye. We'll see you in a...
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. We'll
See
be
you
back.
in 45 minutes.
Yeah, all right. Bye.
Or maybe a
We'll be
little
back.
extra. Welcome back. Dad's smearing the chicken.
Searing the chicken.
Searing the chicken and cutting the broccoli to steam it.
Yep. What did we set the oven to cook this in?
400 Fahrenheit.
400 degrees Fahrenheit. Tell them.
400 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right. Yep. We're gonna sear the chicken real quick. This is really good on the grill, but we're gonna sear it because it will help it cook faster in the oven. And then we have some. What else we're gonna do?
Cut the broccoli.
Yep. So you want to start cutting the broccoli, and what are you gonna use? The knife and be what?
Very careful.
Because those knives are
Sure.
super.
Wait, how do you cut this? I never cut broccoli.
I'll help you.
before.
I'll help you. All right. This is warming up because we want to again sear the chicken. So let's go. So we have the leafy green top, and then we have the stems on the bottom. Right. You want to cut the stems off. So we'll put this on its side since it's a mouse came, i.e. mom, and ate some of our broccoli. So we're gonna cut right there. Cut. Fingers away from the sharp part. Right. Push it down. There we go. All right, and that we can give to the dog. He loves broccoli. And then this stuff, like this, some people like less stem. Well, Landon's gone. Other people like nothing. We like the stem, so we're gonna keep this when we need it.
Can I use the shoe on like and jump
No,
up?
we're videotaping right now. Landon's playing with the dog, so let's do a little break of watching Landon play with the dog.
No. Come here, Papa. Back to cutting broccoli. You don't have to be
Go.
so
Cut the broccoli. Put it in. We gotta heat this water up to steam it. And so you just yep, or you can just rip them off and drop them right in here.
See you later, alligators.
Oh, Mom's making a special appearance.
Smooch it, this.
We got her in. She doesn't want to be on video, but we got her.
Ow, you're hurting me.
We got her.
Come off when you're done, okay? Make sure he eats something too.
Yeah, we have the other pot we have on here is for Landon's macaroni and cheese because in classic style, Landon does not what?
in classic style, I don't know.
You don't eat what we're making.
Yeah.
Here, we're gonna get this stuff done because it is getting late.
I'm going at that.
No, you're not. Just throw it all in. Throw in the big chunks. Got some floor broccoli in there too. Nope, that's another Gus piece. I'll go drop it. So now we gotta put your gloves on because what are you gonna do?
Like put stuff on the
Stuff? That's all you're doing? You're putting stuff on it?
stuff on the potatoes.
What stuff are you putting on there, Mr. Landon?
Olive oil
And
lemon, pepper and salt.
there we go. And they're just gonna go right in the oven just like that. We're gonna put them right in our little toaster oven pan because it works. Oops. We don't need a full pan for it. All right, this pan is definitely hot enough. We'll just put a little bit of oil on it. You want it to be hot enough where the water kind of dances on it. It's too hot.
Like Dad, like my crab dance at Krav Maga.
Turn this down just a
Dad,
smidge
like
now.
my crab dance at Krav Maga.
Yes, like your crab dance at Krav Maga. All right. And for kids, you got to have an adult do this stuff with the chicken if they're working the stove like this, because things are too hot over here. We don't want anyone to get hurt. And you'll know it's the right temperature when you hear this.
That sound is so satisfying.
It is. This pan's not big enough for us to do all the pieces at once. But we have 6 pieces. So we'll do 3 at a time. And we'll transfer them to our baking sheet once they've seared enough. And then we'll put them all in the oven. So why don't you start putting some, I'll help you with that while this is searing.
Why don't you just spray it on my hand?
Alright, so watch. We're going to do this. I'll help you. Put the knife away since we're all done with the knife now. Nope. Watch. Here. Nope. I'm just going to pour it right on a little bit and you rub it all over it, okay? There we go. Both of them. Yep. There you go. Perfect. Good job.
Good.
That one.
That one hasn't.
And look, you got oil in there too you can use more of. Or I put on the other one too. Oh, chicken I think is ready to be flipped already. It's a hot, 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 hot pan. Yep, nice and little golden.
Rub the potatoes. I'm making the potatoes extra. Done.
Alright, hold on. Nope. Now I'm gonna put salt on them.
And I have to
You
smear.
know, yep, rub it all around.
This is getting weird.
And the same with the pepper. Hey, come on, put it over here. Yep, and rub it all around. Just searing one side.
Onto another.
We're gonna get rid of some of these hot juices.
Why?
Why? Because they're just gonna burn in the oven.
Done.
Alright, put them on the.
Take the gloves
Put them on
off.
here.
Take the gloves off.
Yep, and we're gonna put this in the oven now. The baked potatoes are gonna take a while, so the next thing you guys will see will probably just be the final product. We'll take some pictures and post them up with this. So why don't you go over there and say good night to everybody.
Night.
Thanks for watching.
Night. Thanks for watching.
Hey, look up. Talk to your friends. And who are you gonna say hi to? Special shout out to
Eli.
who? Oh, how do you know him? From where?
School.
From school. And also thanks to our friend and co-worker, Deep Sea Rusty Tool. He's a firefighter in New Bedford with me. And he's the one who sharpened the knives and made them super, super sharp. You can find him on Facebook and Instagram. And he's got some great prices. And you know that your knives and axes and everything, chainsaws, are all going to come out super sharp. So thank you. Again, Deep Sea Rusty Tool for sharpening our knives. Have a good night.
Have a good night.